So I've just got a couple of our old herbs, leaves that we have found in our kitchen. So what we're going to create is a little bit of a green sauce. Green sauce is world renowned, known from your salsa verdes, your chimichurris or your salmoriglios, depending on the country of origin. It's all based off the same, using up herbs to create a flavorful sauce to add to your steaks or chicken. So we're going to go for a style of our salsa verde. Look, keeping things a little bit off the cuff, not really by the book. We just have some green sorrel. Once again, leafy, very vibrant. We've got our amaranth that we had earlier, so we're just going to use some of that. And then we've got our tarragon. So keeping in mind, what I'm going to do is just using a knife to cut this process. More than welcome to use a food processor. It speeds up that process. You get the same product with the flavour. Just basically, you're going to run through. You just want to break everything down quite roughly. There's no set routine to it. We don't have to make it look pretty and perfect. It's a sauce.
It's all about flavour, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Everything's all about the flavour. So our salt, our fat, and our acids. So we just got a bit of our veg that we'll chop up. And then we're going to move on. So we've got some salt that we'll add. With our acid, it's going to come from our vinegar and a little bit of our lemon rind and lemon juice. Then we've got some garlic that's going to go in there. And then finish with a little bit of neutral oil. So cottonseed blended vegetable oil. Nothing that's kind of going to take away that flavour. So olive oil you want to stay away from. It gets really, really bitter if we're making a pretty large concentrated oil sauce. And you don't want to add your peanuts oil or any other oils, as their flavour is going to be too strong. So we just roughly chop that up. Once again, it's nothing about being fancy. So we'll just create a little bit of space here for you guys to see. Now that we've got our herbs in there, the next step that we do want to do is we do want to look at doing a little bit of our lemon. So just zesting. So once again, the lemon's given its life as such. If we want to refrain it to using as animal, we're going to use the rind and we're going to use a bit of the juice as well. And mince a bit of our garlic. We all know that we have some of these at the bottom of our fridge in our crisper, whether it's from our Hello Fresh, our Denali, whatever it may be. So, cutting off, and we're just going to roughly chop this like we did with our herbs to mince it down.
You can microplane as well.
Yeah, you can use the microplane if you like. That's probably a better idea, to be honest. So, we just once again getting that flavour in there. So, you know, you're at home, you've been at work all day. You don't want anything to be perfect, you just want it to be flavorful.
Nice and quick.
Absolutely. So, got our lemon, our herbs, a little bit of garlic in there. Now, I just want a splash of vinegar. Once again, it's that acid. So, our salt, our fat, and our acids always work together to create that flavour. And that's all we're looking for. And we're just going to add a small amount of our neutral oil. Once again, you can make it as dressing or as runny as you like. But we're just after enough just to coat what we do have, for us to be able to dress our meat or our fish later.
So yeah, ideally what would this really involve?
Fish, chicken, beef. Fish, chicken and beef is what you want. You know, a lot of the beef has a lot of that richness and fat to it, so you got salt and acid in there to take away from the fat. If you're looking for your seafood's a little bit more delicate and acts like a sponge, so it's going to absorb all those flavours. And it's just perfect to go with vegetables as well. So roasted cauliflower, roasted pumpkins. And that is our little green sauce that we've made just from whatever we've got left over to give it, once again, that little bit longer life.